Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture on Twitter. So let's go forward and open the Twitter app. And right now at the top left corner you have to hit the icon with your profile picture and then go to profile section. Right here, as you can see, there is an option to edit your profile. Tap on that. And you can tap right here the profile picture of yours. So you'll have this option where it says take a photo or choose an existing photo. So what I'm going to do is select the second one, choose existing photo from my gallery, and I'm just going to upload an empty photo from my gallery. So this is the photo that I have selected, as you can see right here, and I can pinch the photo in and out as I want. And as you can see right here, I can just choose how I want this picture to be and select use and then save. So basically now I have removed my profile photo. So you can also do this. You can select edit profile, and right here you can select the option take a photo. One moment please, take a photo. I'm going to select this again. I'm going to allow access, and you can just put down your phone on a flat surface, and then you can just take a photo right here. So I'm just going to use this photo. So as you can see, there is just a black photo, and I'm going to use it and then hit save. So now this will be my profile picture on Twitter. So guys, this is all for today, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.